Welcome to our Money Osai. Today let us see about eclipse. An eclipse is an astronomical event that occurs when spacecraft is temporarily observed by passing into the shadow of another body. Here why I have taken this topic, because eclipse is going to occur on May 26th. Every year eclipses are coming, but something interesting. All the astronomical events are very quite interesting. Eclipse is the one which is very closely related to our children, school-going children. Eclipses occur naturally in the space, and this eclipse occurs when all these three, Earth, Moon and the Sun, alignment of all these three celestial objects together causes this eclipses. It's also known as Eclipse. Let us see about the types, the stages and the origin. Eclipses are of four types that everybody knows: solar eclipse, total eclipse, partial eclipse, annual eclipse and hybrid one. Let us see about the total solar eclipse. This occurs when the sun is completely blocked by the moon. These are visible from a specific part of our Earth. There are 5 different stages during a total eclipse. The first one is the first contact, second contact and totality, then the third contact and the fourth contact, and the last one is Europe's biggest solar eclipse. Coming about to the origin, it comes from the Middle England. It originates from the old French eclipse and the verb eclipse. The word eclipse, which is a noun, the word originates from the verb eclipser, from eclipen, fail to appear, meaning is fail to appear. EKINT and LEIPN means to leave. Therefore, the origin comes from the Middle England. It's a French word, eclipse. And it is a verb eclipser. The verb is called as eclipser, from the word eclipen. Coming to the lunar eclipses, the major 2 eclipses are lunar eclipse and solar eclipse. Lunar eclipse occurs when the moon moves into the Earth's shadow. This can occur only when the sun, earth and the moon are exactly or very closely aligned with the earth between the other two, and only on the night of a full moon. Solar eclipse, it occurs when a position of the earth is engulfed, when a portion of the earth is engulfed in a shadow caused by the moon, which fully or partially blocks the sunlight. This occurs when the sun, moon and the earth are aligned. This coincides with the new moon, indicating the moon is closest to the ecliptic plane. These are the 2 things which occurs very, I think we would have heard, and it is the happenings which every year we are seeing. Coming about to the rarest eclipse, a rare ring of fire, solar eclipses, was visible in certain parts of the world on Sunday. The special event occurs when the moon is at the farthest point from Earth in its orbit and passes between Earth and the Sun. During the annual event, the Sun's outer rim remains visible, creating a shining silhouette. How many eclipses are there? There are between 2 and 5 solar eclipses every year. There are 3 kinds of total, partial and annular. There is also a rare hybrid, that is a combination of an annular and a total eclipse. These are also some rarest thing. Coming to the rarest moon, which we are going to see on 26th, very soon. Blood moon. Because the way light passes through the Earth's atmosphere during an eclipse, red light from the sun is reflected into it and gives it a reddish color, and the nickname is called blood moon. The first lunar eclipse of 2021 will occur on May 26th, and this will be a total lunar eclipse. The eclipse will begin at 2:17 p.m. in India and end at 7:19 p.m. There are three kinds of lunar eclipses. Coming about to lunar eclipses, we have seen about solar eclipses. Coming to lunar eclipses. Here again there are three types: total, partial and penumbra. However, in 2021, we are going to witness two lunar eclipses. 30th December 2020 we have seen. And then coming about to the superstitial point of view on eclipses. Is there any Grahan during 2021? The first lunar eclipse of 2021 will happen on May 26 and it will be visible in East Asia, Australia, Pacific Oceans and Americas. Some parts of Pacific too, the Atlantic and Indian Oceans too. The eclipses will not be visible in India. Therefore, it won't be any Grahan in our country. The next is eclipse. Next eclipse will occur on December 4th. This will be the last solar eclipse of 2021. Coming to partial lunar eclipse will occur on April 30, 2022. Coming to the rarest moon color. So blue color occurs rarely and they are not necessarily full and happen when Earth's atmosphere contains dust or smoke. Look at blue color. We are thinking it's very pleasing to our eyes, but it is mainly due to the dust or the smoke particles slightly wider than 900 nanometers, and these particles size are very efficient at scattering the red light. And this we can see on 29th October. We have seen actually 29th October 2020. Usually there are 13 moons. January it is called as wolf moon, February ice moon, March storm moon, April growing moon, May ham moon, June mid moon, July it is hay moon, August it is corn moon. Coming to which is longer, solar or lunar? Lunar eclipse is longer than solar eclipse. Therefore, another rarer moon is our super moon, that is called as a blood moon. On the night of May 25th or 27, oceans born in Hawaii and East Asia and Antarctica will see a lunar eclipse that coincides with the moon's closest approach to Earth, making it a super moon. Eclipse that will turn the moon reddish, also known as the blood moon. Next it will occur on May 26th, 2021. Let us come to the spiritual meaning of this moon. The sun will turn into darkness and the moon into blood before the great and terrible day of the Lord comes. It's according to the book of Zol. April's full moon is called as a super pink moon, and April 26 we can see a super moon occurs when a full moon coincides approximately with the moon's perigee. Actually, each and every step or the movement of the moon is getting a different name as moon. Let us conclude. The moon, sun and the earth work together as a team to bring us the phases of the moon and the lunar and solar eclipses. Let us admire the nature. Let us see all the pictures in a nice way. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel.